Racing just is started. We have Grace Park Boy. Very quick. Let us start. Moving up on the outside is Sail Street. 4 lines further back in third comes is the man. Then on the inside is Action Sailor, who's the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Sail Street by about half length. Grace Park Boy is running by the rail. 6 lines further back in third comes He's the Man, while Action Sailor is still running at the tail of the field. And as they swing down the back, we have Grace Park Boy now takes command. And on the outside, second is Sail Street. 3 lengths further back in third comes He's the Man, while Action Sailor is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Grace Park Boy by over the length. He's the Man is down on the inside, and on the outside, Sail Street. Action Sailor remains in fourth, but now trying to get closer. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Grace Park Boy by over the length and a half. He's the Man in second. Action Sailor, Sail Street as they swing for home. We have Grace Park Boy by about 4 lengths, and in second is Action Sailor. He's the Man in third. Last 100 meters, we have Grace Park Boy followed by Action Sailor, and finally we have Grace Park Boy, Action Sailor, He's the Man, and Sail Street.
Despite the hounding,
they tried.
They tried.
To no avail.
Kaya nga, kay Sail Street. But still, na itawid ni Mark Alvarez itong si Grace Park Boy. 1-2 na forecast, 10 piso. AV ito. 1-2.